Hello engineers, in this video I'll show you how we take auxiliary engine performance on board for your MEO Class 4 oral exam. Why do we take generator performance? We take it to check the health, efficiency, and load balance of the generator. It's done as per PMS and also when we notice high exhaust temperature, black smoke, or high fuel consumption. What do we find out? We get cylinder-wise peak pressure, compression pressure, exhaust gas temperature, and indicated power. This tells us if any unit is overloaded, has a leaking injector, worn rings, or bad timing. Now, how do we actually take it? For safety, we need minimum 2 generators running. First, parallel the 2 generators. Then, start additional auxiliary machinery to increase the load, like starting 2 air compressors, ballast pumps, fire pump, steering pumps, etc. Once the load is up, shift to manual load sharing and gradually transfer maximum load to the generator we want to test. For best results, load should be above 80%. This matches shop trial conditions and makes comparison easy. At 80% load, monitor all parameters: lube oil temperature and pressure, fuel oil pressure, jacket water temperature and pressure, and exhaust gas temperature for all units. Now for peak pressure. This is the peak pressure measuring device we use on 4-stroke engines. Keep this device always ready on board. To use it, first fix it on the indicator cock. But before fixing, always blow through the cock to clear carbon and dust from the passage. Once blown through, fix the device, open the cock, and the value shown on the pressure gauge is the peak pressure for that unit. Repeat this for all cylinders. After taking all readings, compare them with the shop trial data. Check for deviations in peak pressure, exhaust temperature, and power balance. If one unit is low, it could be fuel injector trouble. If peak pressure is high, it could be early injection or overloading. This analysis tells us the real condition of the generator. That's the full procedure third engineers use on board. I've made a 1-page PDF with the step-by-step procedure, sample readings table, limits, and oral questions. Link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. Download it for 99 rupees and revise before your exam. Comment below if you've taken generator performance before. Like and subscribe for more MEO Class 4 topics.